This is the Vauxhall Mokka-e. There's a lot to love about this car, so I'll be showing you around the features, specs, and all I can in today's video. Come with me. The first noticeable thing about the Mokka-e, as with most newer Vauxhalls, is the Vauxhall visor, which makes it really stand out among other cars on the road. The front view is a bold one that speaks presence and dominance with loads of tech packed inside, including the IntelliLux LED matrix headlights in this ultimate trim model. It basically adapts brightness and distance to what is on the road in front of you, which makes sense if you're driving around a bend in the dark or low visibility and still need smart lighting as not to dazzle other drivers on the road. Coming around the side, you get the 18-inch bicolor alloy wheels with plastic cladding to give you that SUV feel and electrically foldable mirrors. You also get keyless entry once you're within range and lock-in once you're out of range of the car, which is something that brings a lot of convenience for me. The back of the Vauxhall Mokka-e is a unique one in the sense that the boot opener is not in the traditional location but placed right under the bumper, but the handle is up here. Kinda weird, but not to worry for me as I mostly will be opening the boot with the key fob. Speaking of boots, the Mokka-e Ultimate features a 310-liter boot capacity in this electric model with rear seats up and up to 1060 liters with the rear seats folded. Going further in from the back, we get dual USB-C charging ports for rear passengers and kids so they get charged up and entertained on road trips. And going to the front, we get to meet what I call the control center of the Vauxhall Mokka-e. The Mokka-e's pure panel navigation system features a 10-inch color touchscreen and 12-inch digital instrument cluster. The Mokka-e comes with a range of safety and convenience features such as lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, rear parking sensors and cameras, cruise control and keyless entry. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, although not wireless. Wireless charging, heated seats and steering wheels and panoramic sunroof are optional extras on the Vauxhall Mokka-e. The Mokka-e has a single electric motor that produces 136 horsepower and 216 Nm of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 8.7 seconds and has a top speed of 93 miles per hour. It also has 3 driving modes: normal, eco and sports, which lets you adjust the power output and regenerative braking according to your preference. The sports mode is for dynamic drive with responsive throttle and the highest top speed and torque. Normal mode is for a balanced drive that offers a compromise between performance and energy efficiency. Eco is for maximum range and energy efficiency. The Eco mode deactivates all unnecessary energy consuming features and reduces the top speed, torque and overall performance of the Mokka-e. Sat-nav, AM, FM and DAB radio, Vauxhall Connect and a whole lot of comfort systems come standard with all trim levels, so if you're on the base model, you will still be at home with the Vauxhall Mokka-e. I've got the ultimate trim level, and this comes with more advanced features which I can control using the various many buttons on the steering wheel and center console, so most of the optional extras come as standard with the ultimate model. And one thing I like about this is I got a driver massage function. The Mokka-e has a 50 kWh battery that can deliver up to 200 miles of range on a single charge according to WLTP test cycles, although newer Mokka-e models coming out later in 2023 will have up to 258 miles of WLTP range. But in real world, over my last 13k plus miles of driving is about 170 miles driving range practically, with a mix of motorway, urban and rural journey. So it just fits right within my needs, and I charge about twice a week from home using cheap nighttime tariff and once a week on a rapid charger when I have my 1 week long drive to the office. It also supports rapid charging up to 100 kWh, which means you can recharge from 20 to 80% in just about 30 minutes at a compatible power station. I'm about 5'9" and the driving position is comfortable for me with just enough room for someone around my height sitting at the back with me in the driver's sitting position. So what do I think of the Vauxhall Mokka-e? For me, I think it's a great option for anyone looking for a stylish and practical electric crossover that offers a good range, performance and features. It's just enough for me to drive and get me going easily for my daily, personal, family and business needs. With a starting price of just over £30,000 brand new, it's not the cheapest or the fastest in its class, but it's certainly one of the most attractive, well equipped, and nice cars you can drive. If you're interested in buying one, you can visit the nearest Vauxhall dealer or check out their website for more details. That's all for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more electric car reviews like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.